and welcome back. Today I'm going to be bringing to you a kind of late unboxing for the month of June. I am bringing to you the Allure Beauty Box versus the Ipsy Original. I have not put these two head to head in a while now, so I'm pretty excited to be doing that. They were both really affordable beauty bags. The Ipsy Original over here is only $12 for their bag and is supposed to come with 5 items. They say it's sample and deluxe sizes, but occasionally you do get a little sneak in of a full sizer, but it's not always guaranteed. They just sometimes sprinkle it in there. And then the Allure Beauty Box over here is $15 for the box, but you can find coupon codes for your first box being 10 bucks. I personally don't have any kind of referral code. This is just from finding coupon codes online. I'll try to find you guys some and link them down below if you're thinking about signing up. But the Allure one over here is also supposed to have 5 items, but they do say that you are supposed to get at least 2 full-size items and the rest are sample/deluxe sizers. But yeah, so that is the facts about both of these subscription boxes. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So let's get started. Let's do the Allure this time. Let's start with this guy. Get into it. This one just has some shrink wrap around it. That's how it's sent, so I've already removed that. And then here's the box. So let's get started with the giant full-size item I saw in the front here. This is the Purlisse Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. I've actually tried, I think it's 1 or 2 items from the Purlisse Watermelon line. They have quite a few different products, but the one that really stood out to me was that watermelon moisturizer. That one I thought was really nice. Felt really good going on the skin. It wasn't oily, it wasn't greasy, it was a good kind of oily skin moisturizer, and it smelled delicious. Bonus points there. So I'm excited to give this one a go. I have not tried this one, the Watermelon and Charcoal Cleanser, and I had to double check here because the pamphlet was saying that this was only 18 bucks, but I know that Purlisse is a little bit more expensive, and I was like, there's no way, because this looks to be a full size. It doesn't look sample at all. And so there was a typo in the pamphlet. It's not $18 that there retails for, it is $35. I like to always double check the price points of things because sometimes that does happen. Then second up in the box, we got a product here by Yensa. This is her Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine, retailing for 28 bucks. And this one looks so familiar. Hang on. Aha! Just like I suspected, I had already gotten one of these lip oils. It's actually in the same exact shade, the Pink Shine. So I'm gonna set this one aside for a giveaway, since I do already have one from a previous subscription box. And I'll just show you guys this one. And here's a little peek at the shine of it. It's just got a super light pink tint. It does smell absolutely delicious when you pull it out. It has a very sweet fragrance. And just to kind of show you guys, I'm just gonna pop it over the lipstick that I have on right now because it is such a very sheer color that it has on. It really doesn't show up much, but I just wanna show you guys the shine of it. It does feel super slippery when you first put it on, kind of like an oil, but it does dry down. After a couple of minutes, it kind of works its way into the lips and it's not as slippery anymore. I prefer it once it's dried down. It's a little bit much when it's first on the lips and it's just super oily. And you know what? I think we got another full sizer here. So this is our third product and it is by Dashing Diva. This is the Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. So it is nail stickers, is that what it is? Oh yeah, it is. The design is really pretty. I really like these sparkly ones here on the end. I'm definitely gonna be putting these on. You guys know I love to do fake nails. I like to do them myself. I always do press-ons. It's just my personal preferred method of doing my nails. I think they look great, they're really affordable. So this might be another good option if you don't wanna do press-ons, but you still wanna have a manicured look. Ooh, these look fun. I'm actually gonna pop these on right after this video because my nails need some help and I haven't been able to wear my press-on nails because I've been working on those mini coffin orders for you guys. So I can't have nails on when I'm working on those projects because they just get in the way of everything. P.S. Shameless plug, if you haven't already seen, I now make mini coffins and sell them off my Etsy page. This is the smallest variation. There's a larger one with 2 shelves. Shameless plug. But that's I've been working on that my nails are not done. But yeah, so that is our third item. Looks great. So far the Allure box here is doing quite well. And then we got the fourth product in the box, which I think this one is now a deluxe size. So this is the Belief, the True Cream. And yeah, I would definitely classify this as a little bit more of a sample size. This has only 10 ml of product. A full size has 50 ml. So definitely a little bit more samply with this one. But this is just a aloe vera hydrating moisturizer. As it's supposed to be really lightweight. Just want to take a little bit of a sample here. Oh wow, it definitely is. That just soaked right into the skin. No stickiness or anything like that. Just like an immediate, like, that's pretty nice. That might be really good for my oily skin people. Fourth up in the box, we got a product by Shangpri. This is their Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. This one is just a single pack here, so it just comes with one. This is just a classic under eye patch mask here. Single use, it's just to help smooth fine lines, reduce puffiness, diminish dark circles. And actually, I was mistaken. That was our fifth item, not our fourth, so we got an extra item here in the box. Sixth up here, we got a product by Starskin. It's their 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. Retails for $9.25. So you're supposed to take this one first, the little oil capsule up here, break it open and massage a few drops onto the face. Then step 3, you take out the sheet mask, you apply it, you leave it on and take it off, and then the remaining serum you left in here, you pat that on at the very end. Cool! And it's for just a radiant, healthy glow. Wow, we got a lot of good products this time around, and a lot of full sizers too. I think the only one that wasn't a, full size was the Belief. Other than that, I mean, all of these ones came in a full size, so that is pretty freaking sweet. Let me add up a value here for the Allure box, and then we'll move into unboxing the Ipsy. So for the Allure box here, I got a value of $87.25. That's not including this one little deluxe size product. I didn't put any kind of value for that one. It's just the items that have a price tag. So that is honestly really good for a $15 box. Let's now go over to the Ipsy one and start unbagging this one. Break into this one. All right, so here is the Ipsy bag. And as we all kind of know, they do put a bag within the Ipsy bag every month. So this is the design for June. It's got some lovely looking beach babes on there, just suntanning. And it's the classic standard small size for the glam bag. I'm pulling out the pamphlet here. The theme of the month is Make Waves. Peeking my head into the bag here, I can see that we do have 5 items. So let's get started with the first. And that is a deluxe size version of the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna need to try this one out first thing tomorrow. It says it's supposed to smooth out the pores and the fine lines, which I do have really enlarged pores, and it's also supposed to help control the oils and the shine throughout the day. So that right there sounds like it's right up my alley. I'm gonna need to test that one out because it has been hot over here. I've been extra oily, so if this can actually help me out, that would be great. And then second up in the bag here, we got another deluxe size item. This is the Dewy Tree, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. What is that? It says on the back here, it's slightly acidic. Not acidic, just slightly. But yeah, that's just gonna be a foaming cleanser to try out. And now for our third product in the box, we got another deluxe size product. This one is by Nanette Lepore. It is her body lotion in colors of Nanette. The different colors of Nanette by Nanette. I like that. And it's just a body lotion, so I think I just want to give this one a little sniff, see how it smells. Oh yeah, that is a very strong floral scent of body lotion. Oh yeah, very strong. And looking into it, it doesn't really feel like this is supposed to be any kind of special lotion, to be honest. It doesn't look like it has any real key things that it's supposed to do. It's just more kind of Nanette's fragrance for her body lotion, and I don't know. There's a reason I never buy those like celebrity endorsed body lotions with their perfumes, because I feel like it's way too much fragrance. That's kind of what this one feels like to me. I'm sorry, but it does. But now, fourth up in the box, we got a full sizer here. So this is the House of Makeup nail polish. It's in the shade Frozen and retails for $4.19. And my gosh, this shade looks beautiful. And now I for sure think that both boxes are trying to tell me something about my nails, because both are like, get it together. Wow, that shade looks so pretty. Okay, now I have a tough choice to make. Do I paint my nails immediately after, or do I use these ones? And then for our last item here, we got another full sizer. Let's break into this bubble wrap. And this time I got the Ofra Cosmetics Soho Highlighter. This was actually my choice for the bag, so this was one of the first times I did not miss selection time. I was actually right on time for that. So I was able to snag this one. I mean, you really gotta set yourself a reminder when it's time for selections, because sometimes there can be some good stuff there, like this. I do have a couple other Ofra highlighters, so I do really enjoy the formula that they have for their highlighters. Really intense, really beautiful. I kind of want to pop a little bit of that on just to test it out. Let's do it. So let's do a light little dab. That might have been too much. Now, I did already have highlighter on the face, so it might be hard to kind of tell, but in person, I can definitely tell the difference between the two highlighters, and that is really pretty shade. I was a little bit nervous because I did just select it, and I was just like, oh, that one looks good, and then I was like, wait, is that gonna be a good shade for me? And I think it actually ended up working out, so that is a win! Oh yeah, and oh yeah, by the way, this is a full-size product, so it retails for 35 bucks. Not bad. But that was now the last item for the Ipsy Glam Bag, so let's add up the value here. Now, I can really only add up the value for 2 items, which is the highlighter and the nail polish, because these are the full sizers. The other 3 deluxe size items I don't have a value for, so I'm not gonna include that into the total. But for those 2 items, I got a value of $39.19. I have to say that this time, June was a really good month. I think that both the bags had some really great items. I mean, Ipsy, the Ofra highlighter, and the nail polish looked beautiful. I do need to see how the nail polish wears, of course. The shade itself is just kind of the first impression I'm going off of. And then I was also really excited to try this primer out, just because it said it was really good for oily skin. That one has me so curious about it. And then the Allure box with the Pure Lace, the nails, the masks. So I think both had some really good stuff. I mean, this is a close call, you guys. I was honestly thinking it was just gonna be straight up Allure, but I mean, Ipsy coming through with the Ofra, gets really close, gets really close. So I mean, I think they're really neck and neck, but I feel like I need to go with Allure for the win this month. I mean, they had a really great selection of products. I was really excited for a lot of the items, and they threw in some extra stuff, a lot of full sizes, and I think that's just kind of what overtook it for me. I mean, I got a little bit more excited going through the Allure box versus the Ipsy one. You guys let me know what your thoughts were though. Did you think that Allure won, or do you think that Ipsy took it for June? You guys let me know down below in the comment section. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!